Hey everybody, it's Dylan. Check out what I have here. I have a little donkey men's running golf shirt. I believe this is what this should be. Oh, vest. That's what it's called. And here it is. Oops, let me just pick up. Comes with some silicone gel. But you can see this is what it looks like here. It's a nice look to it. And it says Little Donkey Andy. I guess that's what it is. So this is the vest here. So it's kind of, it actually looks really nice. So it's got, I'll show you here, on the inside it's got a couple of really ridiculously deep pockets here. You can put anything you could want in there. Put a whole iPad or a computer probably in there. And then it's got the zipper. Just zip it up. So we will zip it up. I think I don't know what size I got. I got size large. And I got gray and black as the color choices. And these pockets are really deep. Look at this, I can fit my hand all the way in there past my watch. So that's if even sticking my hands out like that. So you could put any big old phone or anything in there as well, or any golf accessories or running accessories or whatever you have. It's got a nice little logo on it there, and it's comfortable. It's really soft. I'll show you guys up close what it looks like here. This is what it looks like here from the side and the back. I like the way it's got the black sides here, so it makes it look like I'm skinny, even though I am a big old fatty. I'm about 190 pounds of fat. But let's see, this is it here. So I have, for the US, and most sizes it's large, and some of them are extra large, depending on what part of the world you're in. And it's really comfortable. I mean, with the light going through it, you can almost see through it, but you really can't, so you won't see through the stuff. But it's a good, pretty light fabric. It's not going to keep you ridiculously warm in the coldest of winters, but it'll be a nice little vest to have on to just wear for a little daily use. I'll probably bring it when I want to go to my different events or something like that where I don't have pockets, but I can use these things for pockets and store all my stuff, and then just kind of keep it on the side for me. So this is really nice. So thumbs up for sure. Very nice.